Where are we, Kris?
Hi, we're in Dallas. We're doing the team camp before we go to Columbia.
Ooh, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm a rookie.
He is a rookie.
It's been a while since I've been a rookie on something.
We got another rookie right here. Doesn't care about it.
Hey, what's up?
Congrats on the 100K. We love that.
Couldn't have done it without Nick's nipples.
You got the old man on the team.
Yeah.
How many?
Thanks for reminding me.
You and
Are you the
Danielle?
oldest?
No, like tenured wise.
Yeah, tenured wise. Me and Marshall's on the team,
Oh yeah,
but he's not here.
Physically here.
Yeah, he's not here. But yeah, I am. I think like 7, 8 years.
Damn, old man. I
I'm
can see a
old.
gray coming.
Hey, watch it.
Hey guys,
We got poster boy,
poster boy.
Team USA poster
Are you
boy.
guys loading stuff onto the shuttle?
Yes, we are.
Board of directors.
I am the board
We
of
have to
directors.
behave
Don't
around
do
here.
anything stupid here.
Yeah, we'll tattle. We're gonna have a good week.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
I don't know anything that's gonna go on, so.
You're lucky we don't have to do the fitness test.
Oh,
Man!
I'd opt out.
What did we just do?
Bunch of different little pods of spare shooting, target practice, and then some physical game work. Not too much on the physical game side, but just trying to learn everybody's game and get a little bit more team cohesion a little bit, you know, see how people like to play lanes, you know, what they're good at, what they struggle with,
Yeah.
things like that. So, yeah,
If anyone
it's going
knows,
pretty well.
this is our target practice we had to do. We had assigned ranges to hit. How far did you get?
I got to the 19 to 5.
19 to 5?
Yeah, I was basically the way that I was playing it was I would try to get within a board on either side and then dial it into where I was actually hitting the numbers and then see if I could do it 2 or 3 times in a row and then I'd move on to the next one. So
And
I try to stay closer to the straight ones because that's where I struggle. So
well, coach wouldn't let .1 fly by.
Yeah, no.
If you were like, for example, this 12 to 5, if you were 11.9, he would say no.
yeah, it's got to be 12 to 5, 12,
Yeah.
12.0 to 12.9.
Just for this purpose, though.
Yeah.
But if you're bowling and you have to be that
board
accurate, then
Yeah,
something's wrong.
border 2 on either side is pretty good.
So now we're about to eat some lunch.
Yes.
They do feed us.
McAllister's.
Yeah, it's like we're on a tour stop eating McAllister's after we bowl.
Yeah. If it was Cane's, then you guys would be like,
Yeah.
oh my god, it's weird. Prather's got some pull, right?
Yeah. We'll take a break. Come back, bowl. I think we're doing a little competition.
Yeah.
Friendly. It's always friendly around here. The old man on the team.
Stop it. Not that old.
How far did you get on the target?
I got halfway.
Halfway?
Yeah.
What that? 23? 19?
Yeah, I got halfway.
Nice.
I was conveniently always like a half a board off.
It's not good enough.
Always. Not good enough. Nope. In the wrong direction.
What you doing? Uh-oh. That's dangerous. Matt, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
Cam. You should see how you look in this. You should see how you look in this.
Don't let me act up.
I'm so mad at all y'all. You see my teeth?
I just feel like
Oh, sorry.
What did you do to us out there
They
today?
watched a minute.
Made you work for the first time ever.
That's not true. I worked 5 days in a row this past
It's
week.
been good. These guys
So I made
put
you
out
work
more
for the
videos.
6th time ever.
I know, and I cut myself.
Trying to get that fixed for tomorrow.
I know. I was too forward. Too forward. Is that such a thing?
a good spot to hurt.
I know.
Does that mean
You have to do it forward. You just on the ball sits on your hand.
I think
Can I just have my moment? I was too forward
I don't
today.
think that's too forward.
Day one done.
Day one done.
Yeah.
We didn't get much footage.
No, we were busy. We were working
Literally from 9 until 7.
hard. Yeah, now. But practice day number 1, all done. I'm ready for tomorrow.
Yeah.
See what tomorrow holds.
Hopefully I get to bowl a little bit. Yeah. Who cuts there? Me, apparently.
Noobs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll get some shots of people bowling real quick.
Yeah. Got a couple people optional practice coming up. So.
GJ, you bowling?
Where we about to eat at? Yes. Was the camera rolling? Sorry.
She might be hungry, but
G Mason, everyone.
You know the little black baby?
good luck.
Thanks. Need more luck.
What are you doing?
It's my hands is freezing.
I thought you were practicing.
So I am, but I'm having hand shriveling difficulties. So I need more tape,
More tape.
and I'm
Means
trying
more,
to learn how to put it in right.
More tape equals more revs. Did you know that? Watch this. I saw you gutter earlier. So,
Yeah,
I saw you gutter earlier, so you definitely had more revs on
did.
that.
The one before was in the gutter.
I'm almost done it because I always tell the team, I'm like, don't stop till I will get out of your way. And sometimes I find out.
I think I just had like a whatever moments those are called.
Epiphany.
Yes. Wow.
More tape equals more revs.
Yes.
Was that it?
No. Yeah.
That was pretty good. What do we think of camp thus far? A little different?
Yeah. I mean, it's basically structured for the Dubai and Colombia trip, so there's not as much intense individual training as there is team training. But so far, really good.
Yeah.
Brian's great. He's a great
Yeah.
coach. He's a great tour rep and so forth. So he makes it easy and accommodating to gel with everybody. And it's what I like about it is we often don't get to practice with you guys. You know, so I think when the women and the men can mix, we both learn a lot from each other.
Yeah, I
That's
agree.
what I like about it.
The last camp I did was 2017 when I first made it. I'm pretty sure it was all it was just like
Yeah.
that gauntlet right away.
Very seldom that we get to intermingle both the
Yeah,
men and the
I
women
think-
together.
yeah.
So that's a bonus for me because that's how I try to learn stuff is from you guys.
And then they gave us this great food.
Yep.
Great food. They do take care of us. They do feed us around these parts.
Yes, they do.
All right, day 1 all done. Couple people still practicing a little bit. Yeah, optional practice. We didn't get a whole lot of clips of us bowling. I don't think we got any. It was a pretty busy day.
I got some just now of the women, the people.
Yeah, but for the most part, you know, it's team building and just trying to learn each other's games a little bit better. But we'll have some more clips for you guys once we actually make it to Colombia in a couple days. Just know we're having fun and learning a lot about each other. And
Maybe we'll record on travel day.
ooh, we are definitely. I'm recording on travel day, that's for sure. Let you guys see kind of where we're at, where we're staying, and you know, kind of let you experience Colombia with us and what it's like being on Team USA. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. We are back at the ITRC for day 2 of our little camp, and it is actually Nick's birthday.
a good song. Give us something to get it down to. Oh, he's feeling it.
You get to witness some of Nick's dance moves.
Hey, bud.
Everyone's enjoying this show.
Oh, I get it. Ah, yeah.
Oh wow, that's what I look like?
Instant replay. So we're in the classroom, and Nick just explained it on the house channel, but I want you guys to try to see if you can decipher what's going on back here.
I think we need to experiment more with the bell curve.
Just, that's all that's important.
Jelly.
Jelly. Just
And
some
this.
jelly. Jelly?
Our bell curve is bigger than the girls' bell curve.
And then, so You have your lines here in the bell curve, so you know sometimes you want to stay like above this region right here, and then this is your perfect 1-to-1 ratio right there. Now sometimes, depending on the shot, sometimes you go this way. You won't leave that. Sometimes you can go this way, but really perfectly. You just want it somewhere right there.
And then we.
Yep.
Like I said, we're having a lot of fun this week.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh my.
But yeah, if you guys can decipher what's going on up here, comment it down below because, you know, confusing.
All right, Jordan. 6-2. Let's see it.
No. I'm not doing it.
Good afternoon, peeps. We're watching Nick absolutely crowbar on urethane. Let's see what that looks like on Specto back there. (22-7) with a fast pitch. Who says we can't hook urethane? Other than us.
Yeah.
We're proving you wrong.
We're proving ourselves wrong. I'll do it again.
All right, let's see it.
Let's go over under 7.5.
I'll take the under.
Oh.
Look at that one, 22-5.
We are ready for Colombia. Let's
I'm coming for
go.
you, Christian.
You look dead at the camera.
I feel a little lost, man.
Oh. Time to go home.
There you go.
Time to go home. All right, well, a couple of guys are still practicing, but we're pretty much done here for camp. Next stop is gonna be Colombia. And I think we're all feeling pretty sharp. I like the amount of commitment I saw out of a lot of the guys. A lot of team chemistry work, and I think we're really gelling. Lauren paid everyone. Trying to photobomb a little bit. Nick, you got anything to say before we head to Colombia?
Banging on thing.
Banging on thing.
Shout out to Kevin Williams. Banging on thing.
That's all, folks. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you guys in Colombia.